Arts and Mission families. Welcome to Animal Friends. Today we have a special animal friend. It's a horse. And what does a horse say? Neigh. He says, neigh. That's what he says. When a horse walks, it's called trotting. Can you say trot, 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 trot? That's it. Or we could do it faster and say trotting, 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 trotting. And then we could say, do what the horse says, neigh. So we go trotting, 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 neigh. That's it. Let's sing a song about a horse trotting. Trot, 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 trot and never stop. Trot along, my little pony, where it's rough and where it's stony. Trot, 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 trot. Trot and never stop. Trotting, 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 neigh! Do you think the little pony wants to go faster? Should we go faster? Oh boy, here we go. Trotting, 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 trot, 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 trot and never stop. Trot along, my little pony, where it's rough and where it's stony. Trot, 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 trot and never stop. Oh, trotting, 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 neigh! Oh, I think the pony's getting a little tired. We better go a little slower. Okay. Trotting, 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 trot, 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 trot and never stop. Trot along, my little pony, where it's rough and where it's stony. Trot, 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 trot. Trot and never stop. Trotting, 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 neigh! I wonder if one of your stuffed animals might like to ride a pony today. Look who might ride a pony. It's Teddy. Are you excited? Oh, he's bouncing up and down. He likes to trot with the pony, yes? Do you have a stuffed animal that you could ride with today? Okay, here we go. Teddy, are you ready? Okay, he's ready. Here we go. Trot, 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 trot and never stop. Trot along, my little pony, where it's rough and where it's stony. Trot, 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 trot and never stop. Trotting, 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 neigh! Did you like that? Oh! Do you want to do it again? Oh, he's so excited. Let's do it one more time. Teddy wants to do it faster. Okay, here we go. Trotting, 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 trot, 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 trot and never stop. Trot along, my little pony, where it's rough and where it's stony. Trot, 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 trot and never stop. Trotting, 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 neigh! Did you like that? Oh, yes. You're getting sleepy? Oh, how about we take a soft and easy ride on pony? All right, we'll try that. Very slow. Teddy's kind of tired. Here we go. Trotting, 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 trot, trot, trot. Trot and never stop. Trot along, my little pony, where it's rough and where it's stony. Trot, 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 trot. Trot and never stop. Trotting, 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 trotting.